data handling, and we know data handling since foundation phase. What is the meaning of the word data? Information. And when we handle the information, we collect it, we organize it, we analyze it, and we summarize it. Nicely done, Nandani. So we are going to go through some information here. We have two activities because I told you yesterday we missed out, so today we're doubling up. So we have exercise 25.1 today. Let's go there quickly. Are you there? Too sharp. Number 1. Some grade 6 learners want to investigate the following. The first thing they want to investigate is how learners travel to school. The second thing is, do learners and their families recycle old newspapers or not? Something else they're curious about is how many people live in a house or like a flat, but how many residents are there? And the fourth thing is, what type of energy do these families use for cooking? Are we using paraffin stoves? Are we using gas stoves? Are we using electrical stoves? Are we just frying every day? Number 8, for each question above, draw up a simple questionnaire. Remember how you did for your project? A simple questionnaire, and then remember where you lost marks, eh? Things that are important is the person's name. Things that are important is the date and the actual question that you are putting in there. It's also important to get their contact details, because in case you're running a promotion or the data handlers need to clarify something, right? They can contact them. The people can choose to put an email address or a telephone number. It's up to them. But just somewhere for us to contact them. So I want one questionnaire for each dot. Are we together? Okay. Then B says, choose one of the questions above and use your questionnaire to collect data from the children seated in the classroom. COVID-19 restrictions, which means you're going to take a piece of paper during break and your pencil, and you are going to maintain your distance, but do you need to come right close and personal to ask someone what source of electricity they use for cooking? No, you can still maintain your social distancing, right? So each of you are going to have, you must pick one question, collect research on one question. That means each one sitting here is going to have 12 responses, 13 including yours, 14 with mine, and 15 with Miss Smith. Alright? So all of us who are members here, on site. Okay, you guys who are online, need to WhatsApp your friends and find out. When you collect that information, you will put the information in your book. So you will make a table and you will write sources of electricity for the grade 6 members. Judea, she knocks rocks together to make fire. Right? Danica rubs sticks together to make whatever. Right. Then you must draw a pictograph to show me what you found out. Then Maimuna did a survey in her class to find out how many learners wear glasses, and this is the table of her results. In the class, the boys who wear are 7, the boys who don't wear are 14. How many boys are there in this class? In total, 21. There are 4 girls who wear glasses and there are 11 girls who do not wear glasses. So, how many girls are there in this class? How many children are there altogether? 21 plus 14 is 35. Alright, question. How many boys wear glasses? Gee whiz. How many girls do not wear glasses? How many learners did the survey? Express the number of boys who wear glasses as a percentage of the total. And then express the number of girls who wear glasses as a percentage. Draw a double bar graph, which I have not showed you how to do. I will do that now. This table from the national census shows what type, so we got number 2F I'm going to show you just now, right? Okay, let me show it to you right now so we don't lose momentum. So if it's a double bar graph, we we are still having to name our graph, okay? So we are going to call this a graph representing or showing, representing so what do they want? A double bar graph to show what's happening on this table, representing learners who, where, or okay. Then I have my vertical axis straight down with the ruler. Yes, sir? And we have our horizontal axis with the ruler. And then we mark equal spaces. And equal spaces, Jason, remember I said you must use 2 centimeter spaces, right? Okay, what goes here in this corner? What can I label this whole line? Right. We can just call it number of learners. And this label we can call it those who wear and those who? Okay. Now I have girls and I have boys. Right? Oh, we need to number these ones. So let's call this 2, 4, 6, right. Now I want you to go to all the children who wear glasses. That means the first table. And we have to make a key. So in our key we can say the pink bar is going to be for boys. Gender stereotypes, you see. And the blue. Right. Okay, but we're going to confuse ourselves. So let's just make this for girls. And this one for boys. Thank you, society, for indoctrinating us with color specific issues here. Right, so we have pink for girls and blue. So now I want to know all the girls who wear glasses. How many are there? Right, so if there are 4, I'm going to draw a pink one here and I'm going to color it in pink, right? And how many boys wear glasses? 7 of them, so that's somewhere here. Right. So these 2 bars are giving me the same information, but they're giving me different information. They're telling me who wears glasses, but they're giving me the data for girls and the data for boys. So this is a double bar. Are we together? Now I skip this equal distance of space and I give the one for those who do not wear. How many girls do not wear? Danica? 11 girls do not wear. So I'm going to give you a pink bar. And how many boys do not wear? Georgia? Are you all together? So it's double, but it's still a bar graph. Why? There are spaces in between. Are we together?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So I did 1F for you. You must redraw. Okay. Number 3. This table on the left is from the National Census, and it shows what type of energy different households use for lighting their homes. Draw a horizontal bar graph to show the percentage of homes that use electricity, paraffin, or candles to light their homes. Use a scale. Okay, don't you bother with their scale. Just draw me a nice scaled out bar graph to show me this information. Okay. Exercise 25.2 on the next page. When we talk about the mode number. Alright? When we talk about the median, yeah, boy. The median is the, so how do you figure out the middle? What's the first thing you need to do? Jaden? But before we do that, there's something we need to do. Abulele? You guys are closey, but not hitting that number for me. Loazi? Still closer. Like you, kettle is boiling here, but there's no steam. Thanks, my friends. Arrange the data in ascending order, and then you locate the middle number. If there are two middle numbers, what must you do?
Add them together and divide by.
Right. If there are two, what must you do? You must add them. Then okay. Number one says find the mode and the median for each of this data set. Each of these data sets. So you must write those numbers in your book, arrange them, find the mode, and give me the median for each set. Right? 1A to H. Do not work in groups. Do by yourself. Roll a dice 12 times, and keep a tally of how many times number 1 to 6 came up. So this you will have to do at home. If you don't have a dice, take a piece of clay, make a cube, put dots in, and throw. Ah, for real. You don't have a dice at home in your board game. No snakes and ladders.
Can use plastic.
Oh, can use plastic. Oh my goodness, you guys. Then take some cardboard and make a cube. And you can't tell me you don't have cardboard, but you cut the cereal box. Hey, yes, Tando. Now you're overdoing it, yeah. Can I teach here? Can we talk about all the things you don't have later? Thanks. Okay, you can't do this because you need lots of people to participate. You're so lazy. Then just do number one, lazy children. Exercise. Listen now. Exercise 25.1, you must do all. I did F for you, so don't get it wrong. And 25.2, you only do number one. Listen, I want beautiful work. Got it?
Yes.
Okay. Goodbye, onliners.